What is up, YouTube? Finally, this is my third try on this. Memory card didn't delete all the stuff and it's full on the other one. Battery died on the Hero 4 and now we are finally to you. But what I'm trying to do today is talk to you a little bit about WhiTTey and what's going on with it, some upcoming information, different things like that. And I'm reattaching the truck to the trailer so that I can try to unload the new project. Don't know how that's gonna go because I've got like 20 minutes to do it, and I don't know if its brakes are that good, so this could be interesting. But I'm gonna try to get it unloaded and talk to you a little bit about WhiTTey. So the thing with WhiTTey, as most know, transmission decided it wasn't gonna cooperate with us. It decided no go on second gear. So first time that happened, we said, you know, okay, something's wrong. Went, looked it up. Everyone said rolled the sprag. So talked to the guy who built it, and they said, well, we can look at it, no biggie. You just have to get it to us, and we, you know, can't guarantee you'll have it back for a certain race. So got in a rush and took it to a friend who is a great guy. He got us in, got me fixed up. Wasn't maybe, there it is, 5 passes later, maybe, that it started doing the same exact thing pretty much. So we took it, sent it back to the original builder, because now, see, we didn't make that original race that we did all this, you know, running to Logan and just going crazy. We didn't even make that race because, well, there was no race to be had because it rained. And then that original race ended up getting busted, canceled, etc., etc. Money given back, never happened. And so I did all that and spent all that money and time and effort for absolutely nothing. So we get done, we get the transmission down to the guys in Georgia. They look at it, and it was exactly what I said would happen in my video when I was crying like a little baby about my transmission. They said that the guy I took it to supposedly didn't put some washer in it or something. The drum should have been replaced. All this, I personally believe, is nonsense, because it's sort of hard to say something like that after something has broken. Now, I should have been patient. I should have sent it back to them originally. That's my fault. I broke it from shifting to first to second gear, and it hooked when I was at a race. I probably have a video of it. It hooked, caught in second. I didn't know that was something with Turbo 400s. I do now. I will never do that again. But that was my fault. Should have sent it to them, and they probably would have been a little bit more lenient. Around $750 later, about the exact same amount that I said on the last video when I was talking about it, we now have a transmission back for WhiTTey with the new drum, new clutches, new sprag, still 34 element sprag. So we will see how that goes. And yeah, now this week, hopefully, if all goes well, I'm going to attempt to put WhiTTey back into commission, into running, transmission go back in. That's the hope, that's the plan, that is what I desire. So we will see, we shall see anyways. I've got some trans fluid sitting there. Hopefully all the bolts and everything are where I left them. Who knows, we'll see. I'm not looking forward to putting it back in because I usually pull my back out about every time I do it. I'm excited. WhiTTey, there's some people that are just dying to race here soon, and I think they want to race WhiTTey, and I need to race WhiTTey. I miss it. I was enjoying street driving it so much. I don't know if I'm going to take it to rod run. Thought about it. I just don't know yet. And because the year's winding down. It's winding down super quick anyways. And so I'm hoping hoping at some point we can really turn WhiTTey up to what it really needs to be at, but we'll see. So everything is usually my fault. That's usually the way it turns out, and that's the way that this thing has planned. I'm not gonna put blame on anybody, because it's nobody's fault but mine. And I paid the price for not knowing, you know, what to do in the burnout with a Turbo 400. That was my stupidity. So WhiTTey will be in commission. I do think it's funny that we have won quite a few races and almost won a bunch of races with a completely hurt trans that we didn't even know about. Well, we heard it the race that ended up with like 3rd or 4th, just semis, I guess you'd call it. But I miss it. I miss my car so much. It's just sitting there. It's gotten mud on it from that stupid like flood that we had. I mean, it's got mud like on the bottom of the wheels, but yeah, I've had some plans change in my head about WhiTTey and maybe not doing the Fairlane. I just don't think that I've got the funds to be able to do what I want to do with the Fairlane. Just all around, it's just going to be too much. I don't know though. We'll see in the next few weeks. That may change. I don't know, but it's you know how cars are. They're a pain and they're great all at the same time. And I keep buying them, and I need to get rid of some. And yeah, but I'm loving this new one. At least my thoughts of it. I mean, I've not done anything to it, but the plans are this week to clean it up and get something going. I've got some wheels that we may put on it. I've got to go get those. So yeah, I'm excited for that. That video dropped today of picking it up, and so yeah. Just so you get another look at this beast, this one right here, and we got us a police officer right here. Sounds good. And Sadie chasing him. Things sounded good. But anyways, oh, do absolutely thank you for the support. WhiTTey will be back. New Gappening shirts. I'll go ahead and put a plug here. If you're wanting a Gappening shirt, if you were not on the pre-order, the pre-orders are shipping out. It's been absolutely crazy at my day job, and so I haven't actually been back to get the shirts out before the daggone post office has been closed. That's how crazy it has been. So, but if you want one, I just need just shoot me an email. Shoot me an email. I can get you an invoice through PayPal or whatever the case may be, and we can get you an awesomely cool shirt. You can check us out. I've got Houston_KOTV on Instagram, and KOTV_motorsports on Instagram, and Facebook.com/KOTV motorsports. I'll link all those in the description below. If you want to hit us up anywhere there, add me on there. I've got Snapchat. I have no problem being on social media and all kinds of people. It's not really that big of a deal. So add me on there. You can see what we're doing all the time and see things probably before it hits YouTube. So that's it. That's all I'm going to talk about for today. WhiTTey is coming back, thank God. It has been a pain in my butt. I've very seriously thought about doing some crazy things with that car, but I love it too much. I've had too much fun with it. I've owned it for like 4 years now. Definitely 4 years now. Yeah, 4.5 years almost. And so there's no way it's going anywhere anytime soon. Excuse the grammar. But yeah, that's it. I'm going to get hot and sweaty and unload this car real quick, and then That way you guys can see some content about Project Pinkman sometime this week. That's the plan. So, that's all. That's all for now. Peace out, Girl Scout.